Do you ever wish you could plan your perfect day? Well, that's what this meditation is all about. Welcome to Meditation Daily. Begin your day with a sense of calm and purpose as we embark on a journey to design your perfect day. After you've found a comfortable spot, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand with air, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Now do that one more time. Allow yourself to settle into this moment. Feel grounded and present. Release any worries or concerns about the past or for the future. Focus solely on your breath, the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and each exhale. Now, as you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, imagine a blank canvas in your mind. This canvas represents the day ahead, filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. You have the power to design your perfect day, to create a day that aligns with your values, your goals, and desires. Visualize the morning sunlight gently streaming into your room, filling the space with warmth and light. Feel the energy of a new day, fresh and full of potential. Imagine yourself waking up, feeling refreshed and energized, ready to embrace the day with a positive mindset. Now, picture yourself going through your morning routine, but this time with ease and joys. Everything just comes together. Perhaps you start with a nourishing breakfast, enjoying each bite mindfully. Maybe you take a few moments to stretch or do some light exercise, feeling your body wake up and come alive. As you continue to visualize your perfect day, think about the tasks and activities that are most important to you. Not what just has to get done, but what are those things that are your top priorities for you personally and for your business? What do you want to achieve today? Now see yourself accomplishing these tasks with focus and determination, one by one, feeling a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment with each step you take. Imagine yourself interacting with others throughout the day, radiating kindness and patience and compassion, but also with endless, boundless energy. Positive and meaningful connections where your interactions leave you and others feeling uplifted and valued. Now envision a moment in your day where you take a break to nourish your mind and your body. This could be a peaceful walk in nature, a moment of mindfulness and reflection, or simply taking time to enjoy a hobby or activity that brings you joy. And as you think about your perfect day, I want you to also think about how you want to end it. Picture yourself winding down in the evening, perhaps with a relaxing routine that helps let go of the day's events and prepares you for a restful night. Imagine the feeling of contentment and gratitude as you reflect on the day that you've created. Take a few deep breaths, feeling the energy of your perfect day flowing through you. Know that you have the power to create this day, to make choices that align with not only you, your priority, but also with your intuition. And that these choices will bring you closer to your goals. Now, bring your awareness back to your breath, feeling the gentle rhythm of each inhale and exhale. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly bringing movement back into your body. And when you feel ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this vision for your perfect day with you. Thank you for joining us at Meditation Daily. May you move through your day with intention, peace, and joy. And remember, each day is a new opportunity to create the life that you desire. Meditation Daily. Change your mindset, change your life.